Hi, I'm Anita Monrroy from Mis Centavos, tu contadora, your accountant, your guide to creating, managing, growing your small business and bottom line. I am the daughter of an immigrant family who moved from the U.S. from El Salvador. I come from humble beginnings. My dad started bussing tables in North Hollywood, and my mother worked as a housekeeper here in Los Angeles. I started working and helping my father with his business bookkeeping at the early age of 11. I later became a CPA and enrolled agent. I run and operate a small business, and I'm also a real estate investor. I have a BS in accounting, a master's of taxation, and provide accounting, bookkeeping, and tax services to many small business owners here in Los Angeles. My experience is a combination between professional training and my own personal experience as a small business owner. The Mis Centavos Semilla seed was planted back in 2009, and I've been cooking up ideas for the movement in my head for the last 14 years, and now want to empower the Latino community. Getting to this point was not easy. It wasn't easy. Felt very lonely. There was still a lot that I didn't understand or I didn't learn until I went through the process myself. And this is why I want to come back to the community and walk you through so that you have somebody that can guide you step by step on how to organize your business, how to grow your business, and not feel so alone. All right, para más, find me on Facebook or on Instagram at Mis Centavos, on my website, miscentavos.com.